A few weeks ago, Rhun invited a debate on the future leadership of Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, a debate that could reaffirm her leadership or could open a new chapter in the history of Plaid Cymru. Well, since then there's been a fair amount of discussion on the merits of having that kind of debate, and in that time I have received message of encouragement from members and supporters of the party from all parts of Wales, from the South Wales valleys to Mid and North Wales, from the West to Cardiff, asking me to allow my name to go forward. That encouragement has come from all elected levels within the party, but more importantly it's come from ordinary party members, including people I think will end up perhaps voting for Rhun. And that is the point here. The debate has to be a positive and constructive one that can energise the party and energise Wales. And it's in that spirit that I accept the nominations, and in a spirit of real excitement and passion about the future of the country. Now, let's discuss different visions. Let's discuss different approaches and styles. Let's discuss ideas. My commitment is to Wales and to building a brighter future for the country, a fairer future, a more prosperous future. And Plaid Cymru has to lead the way to that new, confident Wales. And over the next few weeks, well, let's have an open and democratic debate about how to offer the most effective and most exciting leadership to Plaid Cymru and to the country. Thank you, and I look forward to it.